Hello and welcome to the Today's Money Masters. I'm your host, Jean-Paul Menu. The Today's Money Masters competition comprises 3 professional investors and a novice, each provided with $500,000 to invest. The participants will invest in stocks, bonds, and collective investment schemes. They will share their strategies over a 1-year period. At the end of the period, the top portfolio manager will be declared. So let's continue with the masters on this very exciting journey. Now a word from our sponsors.
Have you ever been interested in an IPO but didn't have the time to go in branch and submit all the documents? We've got a solution for that. With NCB Capital Markets Go IPO portal, you can submit and track your IPO application from any of your favorite devices. No need to go in branch. No need to contact a wealth advisor. No extra fees. And it's accessible to both NCB and non-NCB clients for all our offers. So no excuses. Investing is easier with Go IPO. Visit www.goipo.jncb.com or text Go IPO to 876-383-1729 and start investing today.
Welcome back to the Money Masters competition. I'm Jean-Paul Menu, and we are speaking with Chrevaughn Legister from Proven Wealth Limited. Chrevaughn, what are the IPOs, the initial public offerings, expected to come to market in December next month, and what impact are you expecting the new listings to have on the main market index? Can you speak to that?
I'm sure. I'll do so briefly. I've seen listings of couple companies that are supposed to be listing. But I'm not sure what is the time frame.
Okay.
What we've seen so far is Mailpack Group that they put out their prospectus recently. Haven't gotten a chance to actually do my analysis on it as yet.
Okay.
I know also there's a Tans Jamaica Highway that had what I'd say is a launch, announcement by the government. NCB Capital Markets will be bringing that company to market as well. And there are others down the line that have been the government have spoken about, but we're not sure of the timing.
Okay.
Based on the question that you have asked, if they should come within the December period, it's a little bit tricky. During that time, you oftentimes find that the decision makers tend to be out of office.
Sure.
For the most part. Yeah, for holidays.
People are thinking about
right?
Christmas.
And Tans Jamaica, if this one should come to market in December, it has been so far been touted as being 3 times as large as Wisynco. The Wisynco's IPO was about over 5 billion that was being raised.
Wow.
And this was in the December period. So Wisynco got a lot of traction during that time. Tans Jamaica being 3 times as large, you could find that, I don't expect people to hold back. And let me tell you, people are expecting these IPOs,
okay.
Right? There's a lot of talk about it. So people may be getting their funds together to prepare themselves, and you may find that they'll probably hold back on some Christmas shopping and invest the funds, to earn greater returns.
Okay.
There may be some delay. So I expect it to have a little bit more activity on the main market if they should come in December.
Okay.
Yeah.
And this is especially due to the fact that the main market has gotten so much international press as well?
Yeah, the international press, that's a good driver for it, right? This is great publicity for the country. And I've had, personally, persons abroad have reached out to me asking how they can invest in our market. So I'm sure those are some of the persons that will be looking to invest in the stock market. And it may be attractive for them. If where the dollar is now, if they convert their US funds and invest in the stock market, that's even more returns for them. Yeah.
Have you ever been interested in an IPO but didn't have the time to go in branch and submit all the documents? We've got a solution for that. With NCB Capital Markets Go IPO portal, you can submit and track your IPO application from any of your favorite devices. No need to go in branch. No need to contact a wealth advisor. No extra fees. And it's accessible to both NCB and non-NCB clients for all our offers. So no excuses. Investing is easier with Go IPO. Visit www goipo.jncb.com or text GoIPO to 876-383-1729 and start investing today.
The Money Masters Funds. It's all about real growth, safety and security of your assets. The Growth Fund gives higher returns for the investor more focused on growth. Money Masters Funds, providing growth and security, performance and financial peace of mind.
We are CUFMC, Credit Union Fund Management Company. Trust matters, and you can believe in our reliability.
Service.
We give impeccable attention to your needs.
Experience.
Careful and prudent are part of our DNA.
Know-how.
After 70 years working exclusively for credit unions, now we're open to all investors. CUFMC, Credit Union Fund Management Company.
How we choose to invest our time today often has a propelling effect for what we gain tomorrow. It's like investing in shares.
Mommy, is this a share?
Yes, you know, she's right. It's similar to how shares work. Companies are publicly listed on the Jamaica stock market. These companies are divided into pieces, and these pieces are what are called shares. The owners of these shares are called shareholders.
Well, that was Chrevaughn Legister giving us his financial thoughts. Always a pleasure. Join us next week, same time, for another exciting episode of the Masters Competition, as we'll meet with another participant. Follow the pros and the one novice each week on the Masters Competition. Listen and analyze the strategies with the Masters on RJR 94 FM Thursdays at 8:45 a.m. as they challenge each other to stay ahead. And also look out for the portfolios in the Sunday Gleaner. The Masters Competition is a product of Today's Money Limited, brought to you in partnership with NCB Capital Markets Limited, Money Masters Limited, Credit Union Fund Management Company Limited, and the Jamaica Stock Exchange. I'm Jean-Paul Manu. The Masters is another fine product from Today's Money Limited.